bigla. Once again, this is the swimsuit competition, and this is our candidate number 7. May pasabong. Kung ba ka na swimsuit ba yun doon? Muna ko dyan lang maghikong diha dahil. Wow! Mudahil sa kisiyaron. Oh, di ba? Ang saon? Oh. Our candidate number 7 is Miss Princess na Tiffany Nicole. Oh. May palang bitin. Ba? Oh, rampa, may rampa. Oy, may basketball. Oh, oh. Oh, shoot. Aboy, mahaba yun. Oh, nakutalo ka man, oy. Oh, bak. Ano? Naghubo ng